So one's finally left the engine room. I'm just going to stick the clutch on it, and then I've got to whip the dummy engine out of the car, and then we can get it back in. Out, these headers should sit here while I drop the engine in. Is the bell housing in? Oh, the bell housing's in, so I've got to pull that out as well. Oh well, it's not the end of the world. Oh, and these are brilliant because these are multi-head things. I haven't got a socket for them. Have we only got the 4 at the top? Looks like it, so I'll have to get a spanner for that. While I remember, massive thank you to GR Services once again for providing us with a set of spark plugs for the year. I will be showing you what I'm doing with the other spark plugs very shortly. Now I'm back up in the workshop, and thanks to tractorpartscouk for supplying the filters. So yeah, thanks guys for your help, always appreciated. Oh, I'm steaming, my glasses are steaming up. So well then team, that's another successful day really. We've got all the pistons in the shale engine in the engine room, and this one is now sat in the car. So when I come back, I think tomorrow night, I can start putting some bits back on this. It's absolutely, the weather's atrocious, the car is soaking, but I got it in. It's a bit of a challenge on my own, but But I told my dad that I'd have it in before he got back off holiday. So it's in. So there we go, that's a successful Sunday. So, just popped all the plugs out for a second. And wind it over. Got some good oil pressure. It isn't really this side, that gauge is knackered, I need to change that, but we've got oil pressure, so that's a good start. Let's just see if we can make a run. So just start with the busy time a little bit. We know it's got oil pressure, so that's always good. Let's give it a whirl. So that's most of the time I can just sort it out, and bell housing in, Release bearings done, just got to bleed it all up, get the gearbox in next time. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week for another instalment, see if we can actually get this timed up and ready to go. I'll see you then.